Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about none other than Cornucopias. So, what we're going to do is talk about their latest partnership announcement, and we're going to talk about the project as a whole, how I think it's going to perform over the next 3 to 6 months. Keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a Loose Moose. So we are Monday, February 17th, 2025, and I think this is a wonderful opportunity to see crypto gaming scale. In general, gaming projects that are built on top of Cardano and other chains, I think they're going to do well. So a lot of low cap projects have been severely suppressed and priced. I think they are oversold. And I think once the narrative comes back, things will be golden. So as you guys know, there was a recent announcement that Grayscale has filed for a Cardano ETF. And what this means for COPI as well is that it's not going to do well until the layer ones do well. At least that's my opinion. So you never know for certain, but generally it's going to be Bitcoin that drives the entire market in crypto, and then maybe Ethereum and the other layer ones will do well, and then the low cap stuff will do well. So let's take a look at COPI. Let's see where we're at. So here we got Cornucopias. This is by far my number one holding now for I guess you would call it low cap tokens. So Cornucopias, I'm extremely bullish. I've been buying down here, a little bit up here. Actually, I never bought any up here. I just never sold, which I should have. I think you guys should take profits when you can. Again, it's not financial advice. But, you know, next time COPI's at 10 cents, the Moose might, I don't know, the Moose might have to reassess his portfolio. But long term, I like this project. So let's talk about why. As you can see here on the right, the quality of the game is extraordinary. So perhaps we'll even bring up the website. And it's not just for Cardano. You can get tokens on different chains. So here, if you look at contract address, you got the Binance Smart Chain, Cardano, Base, Ethereum. So this token of Cornucopias, it's got a lot of potential. It's a game where, you know, it's multi-chain and there are NFTs. There's so much to talk about. And, you know, when it comes to crypto gaming, when the narrative comes back, I think holding COPI is going to be a good idea. So I still have a significant position for myself, and I have a lot of land. I have basically everything. I'm still running the nodes. So if we take a look here, if we go to manage nodes, and I will be doing another video on nodes. So there's a lot to go over here. So here I got, under these wallets, yeah, like almost 90,000 tokens, maybe almost 100,000 with these combined right now. Let's go to rewards. So here I'm earning a little bit of COPI basically every day. So if you guys do go to Linktree, not only can you pick up a hardware wallet and other links, but if we go under NFTs, you can see Cornucopia's file node by here. So if you guys do want to pick up a node, I think it's a good time to get one. So under 500 ADA, and what this will allow you to do is to earn some COPI by running a node. And I think that's a really cool idea. So, you know, maybe you don't want to pick up a ton of tokens, but you like the idea of running a node, staking. There are tons of different options. And this is in development, in the fact that there's going to be a lot of different things that you'll be able to do in terms of running your own node. I just haven't done a video on it yet, but I believe you can begin to, you know, manage your node in a different manner now. So here, manage pools, manage nodes. So I will be doing more videos on this. I want to familiarize myself. COPI has done some pretty cool videos on this. So, but anyways, it's nice to see the rewards. This game has so much being developed that it's been really cool to see. So just looking at the graphics, like the website, everything that they're doing is incredible, and you guys can play it. I don't even know if you have to have an NFT or not right now to play the game. But you guys can watch the 4K trailer. play the game. Yeah, at worst, I believe you just have to pick up an NFT, and you can begin to play the game. So this is gonna be cool. So obviously an MMO RPG open world game, and I played it firsthand in Vegas, and I thought, when it comes to crypto game, you look at other projects, they're not as good as COPI. So something sitting, at a couple cents, I think could have a lot of potential in the near future. So let's go to gaming. And there are some big projects. So if we go by market cap, you have IMX. Sandbox is probably the biggest one of the biggest that I know about on Ethereum. This thing is $1 billion in market cap. So, something that, in my opinion, graphics looks better, team's more transparent. Here you got Ronin, so 800 mil market cap. Like, guys, COPI could really make strides. You talk about getting in on something that could 20, 50x. This is it. This is one of the opportunities. Veracity's sitting higher market cap. So, something that looks that good. Like, there's a reason I've been talking about it for so long. And again, the fact that you still have an opportunity is wild. So when this thing goes, you better have gotten in, before it goes over the next 3 to 4 months, because we could be in interesting territories. I don't know for sure, but based on the mathematics, if we take a look at Bitcoin, this is going to be the deciding factor, really. I mean, when Bitcoin gets to 120 and the low caps, the alts start picking up, it's going to get pretty crazy. So I believe, we're going to consolidate for a bit, get to 120, get to 180, maybe 250 per BTC height of the market. And where will COPI be at that time? Where will ADA be? It's going to be much higher because alts have not run yet. Bitcoin dominance is through the roof. Okay, so Bitcoin accounts for 60% of the market dominance. That with Ethereum is 70% roughly. So, I mean, you look at 60% dominance, when that gets down to 40, maybe 39, who knows? We don't know. We don't know what's going to happen for certain. But for me, this is what I'm looking at. So let's get into the partnership for a second. So SuperVerse, okay? You're looking at something with 340 mil market cap, pretty good website. It's been around for a while. The tokens are available everywhere. So one thing you'll notice with Cornucopias is that the tokens are not readily available compared to other projects, in my opinion. When you look at centralized exchanges, sure, you got wrapped BNB COPI. That's complicated for a lot of people. You have the MEX, which is cool. These are somewhat new in terms of partnerships. Gate.io. So these are the two big ones for COPI. But right now, you're not seeing, let's compare it to SuperVerse. So you're not seeing a Kraken. You're not seeing a KuCoin. You're not seeing Binance listing. You're not seeing Crypto.com. So those have not happened yet. And that's part of my point. COPI has a lot of potential. So I like seeing partnerships like this. Where did my link go? Here we go. So Cornucopias pinned this. So Cornucopias, SuperVerse, we are focused on expanding the utility of COPI and bringing more players into our ecosystem. We're thrilled to announce our partnership with SuperVerse, an innovative blockchain gaming project. We all know, we've seen it around, that unifies games under a single currency, Super. So how this will be integrated, I'm not quite sure yet. So if you guys do want, you should watch the latest COPI Cafe. I think it will get you guys a lot of nice information there. So let's take a look, though, what they do have as of now. So this collaboration is a win-win with both communities. Here's how. So this is a big one, right? More players, more opportunities. SuperVerse's ecosystem introduces a fresh wave of gamers to Cornucopias. So we're looking at growth here. That's the main word. In getting more people into the game. So the game is only going to work if we get a lot of people involved in the game. Okay, so selective super integration. While COPI remains a primary currency, select player-owned assets will now be able to be purchasable with Super. So opening a new avenues for asset liquidity. So very interesting. So to integrate this token, so if we look on the website, and if we do go to Marketplace, this is relatively new as well. You can actually buy tokens. So I may not be logged in. Let's see if I am. Okay, so we're good here. I wasn't sure if I had to like use my authenticator for this. Okay, so here if you go on cornucopias.io, the main website, okay, you go to Marketplace, you can easily pick up via USDC in ADA and COPI, yeah, because COPI was added. So I assume that Super will be added to this as well. So perhaps you'll be able to use Super token to do this, and they'll be able to obviously track this. So you can get a lot of these cool assets for the game. Guys, comment down below. Is this something that you've picked up? Is this something that interests you? You think this is a good idea? I think it is. It's awesome. We do need more partnerships. I would like maybe a COPI Sandbox partnership. I mean, I don't think it'd be good for Sandbox because COPI looks way better. I mean, if we were to put that comparison, I mean, it's basically putting up 4K next to 480i, like interlace. It's just not the same thing. So we definitely got COPI sitting as one of the best looking games. In my opinion, the best low cap token in Cardano. Bar none. Nothing else is even close. So it's going to hit on the gaming narrative, which I think will thrive. You got the Beckers of the world, Neo Tokyo, all those guys. They're going to be pumping up this game. And I think in terms of utility, fun, and something that's got a narrative that's going to really be a home run in the future, I think Kopi's going to hit on that. So, guys, comment down below. Do you agree with the Moose, or is he just getting too loose? Is the Moose getting too loose? He's going crazy. Let me know. So, guys, use the link tree. You guys know what to do. Pick up a hardware wallet. I do this every episode. But more importantly, guys, you save a bonus 5% off using code Moose. So you get 15% off. I believe that's what the Moose math is there. So for under $47, you can pick up a Tangem card. So a Tangem wallet. Guys, these are fantastic. In fact, you get two of them. I am wearing the Tangem ring. Guys, I'm married to crypto, and I'm happy it is Tangem. So, but guys, comment down below. Do you agree with the Moose? Take an online course. If you guys do want to learn the fundamentals, I like this one, the free Cardano mini course. Here, I don't sell you anything. The rest, I do because they're paid. But we also have links to help you out. So for staking, claiming, other projects, we will be updating that for you. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.